Hello students, today I am going to explain the next chapter, exponents and powers. Exponents and power is a very simple thing. First, try to understand what I am saying, what is exponential formula. Suppose if we write a to the power x, it means this is known as exponential form. Exponential form, where a is base, is called base, and x is called power. Is it very clear? So this total form is known as exponential form. For example, you can say 2 to the power 5. So this is known as the exponential form, where the base is equals to 2 and power is what? Power of that base is what? 5. So this total is known as, this form is known as exponential form. But to solve the numericals of your exercises and all, here we are going to use some laws. What are the laws? That is known as laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. So that rule, that laws we will be using while you are doing the sum. Number 1, a to the power m into a to the power n, right? A to the power m plus n. Now, see, I am giving some example for you. One example, right? 2 to the power m, 2 to the power, you could say 3, into 2 to the power 4, it will be what? 2 to the power 3 plus 4. Means, see, the base was the same, then we have added the power. So here the base is the same, we have added the power 3 plus 4, and that it will be 2 to the power 7, and then 2 will multiply 7 times. So if you, this is the exponential form. If you want to write the value, so 2 will multiply 7 times, whatever is coming. Number 2, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Over there it was multiplication, now in division. So in division, a to the power m minus n. See the example? Suppose 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 2. It will be what? 3 to the power 5 minus 2 is equals to 3 to the power 3. Is it very clear? Now the third law comes, a to the power m and power n, whole power n. So it will be what? A to the power m into n, right? For example, suppose 3 to the power 2 to the power 3. So it will be what? 3 to the power 2 will multiply to 3, 3 to the power 6, and then find the values, right? Some more laws are there, right? But these are the very important 3 laws are there. These 3 are the important laws. And then afterwards, you write, if any number is there, a to the power 0, it will be 1. A to the power 0, it will miss in. If the base, any base is there, if the power is 0, then it will be considered as 1. You see, for example, a to the 2 to the power 0, it will be 1. Or you can say 3 to the power 0, it will be 1. Whatever the base is there. But if the power is 0, we will write only 1 there. Now next one is there, right? that is a to the power m into b to the power m. Now you see here, a to the power m, b to the power. Here the bases are different, but powers are equal. So same thing we can write in a bracket, a into b to the power m. Means this power m for a also and b also, right? And suppose I'm writing here the example I'm giving you. Suppose 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. So see that bases are different, but the powers are equal. So what we can write? 2 into 3 to the power 3. Or you can write 6 to the power 3. Right? Next one is there, a to the power minus m. When power is negative, to convert into the positive, you just write 1 upon a to the power n. That is, for the example, you could say 2 to the power minus 3. So what will write? 1 upon 2 to the power 3. And it will be 1 upon 8. So these are the, one more is there. Simple is there. A to the power m and b to the power m. When it is in division set, a to the power m, b to the power m. So power is the same. So we write a by b to the power m. Is it clear? For example, you see, suppose 3 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 2, it will be what? 3 by 5 to the power 2. Means this 2 is power for 3 also, numerator also, and the denominator also. Or you can write here 9 upon 25, the value. This is the exponential form was there, and you, when you find the value, that considered like that. Now, these are the very important laws are there. If you keep all these important laws in your mind, then definitely you will be able to solve the problems. Now, how to solve the problem? Main thing is there, how many types of problems can be coming there in one example. Types of problem in any exercise. Types of problems, maybe 3 types of, 4 types of, 5, but same rules will be used. Right? Now, how to solve the problem? How to solve the problem? How to solve the problem means what? You will be implementing all these laws, right? Whether this one, any one. And then according to using these laws, right, you can get the answer very easily. Right? Now, example I'm giving you. Suppose that simplify. An example that your exercises also will be there. Simplify. Simplify. I'm minus 5 to the power 5 into minus 5 to the power, suppose I'm giving minus 10. So what will be there? See, bases are same. आप ये जान लो कि bases are same. Then in multiplication, what I gave you, add the power. Bases are same, you add the power. Minus 5 is your base and power is what? 5 plus minus 10, right? Then it will be what? It will be minus 5 to the power 5 and plus minus, yeah, minus 10, or you can say minus 5 to the power, what is there? Minus 5, right? Or if you want to write in positive way, so it will be 1 upon minus 5 to the power 5. That could be the answer, right? Now, I'll give you some more examples in my next video. Thank you very much.